Hello everybody, welcome to Mobile Pro Learning. On my previous video, I explained you how to use simple if function. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use if together with an AND function in Excel to check multiple conditions in one formula. On previous video, we already have a handful of Excel if tutorials and still discover the uses every day. Today we are going to look at how you can use if together with AND function to evaluate two or more conditions at the same time. In order to build the if AND statement, you obviously need to combine the if and function in one formula. Here is how. Now let's go to this example. As an example, let's make a formula that checks if the progress status is equal to delivered and the delivery date is not empty, and depending on the result does one of the following. If both conditions are true, make the order as closed. If either condition is false or both are false, then return as open. Is equal to if and the progress is equal to delivered and the delivery date is not empty, then the order status should be open or else should be the order status should be closed or else should be open. Close the bracket, enter. That's it. Now you see that wherever the status are delivered and filled with the delivery date, the order status become closed. Rest all open. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.